Okay, guys, in this Easter 1 minute tip, I want to highlight something that came out of the Facebook Live interview today with Josh Cook. Josh is the director of Social Church, and we did an interview all about Facebook ads leading up to Easter. And one of the questions that kept coming up is, Ryan, where do we get started? What if we get too overwhelmed with all that you can do with Facebook ads that we just don't know where to begin? And Josh had a great idea, and it's something that they're doing over there at Social Church. It's called the 530 Challenge, okay? And what they're encouraging churches to do is to consider spending $5 a day for the 30 days leading up to Easter. And Josh is going to walk you through what he recommends to do those 30 days. But it's a great place to start out. And so I just want to encourage you, if you're just so overwhelmed that you've never really gotten started with Facebook ads, man, check out what Social Church is doing with that 530 challenge. And then they just released their ad kit as well, which if you want to get more advanced, they got lots of ideas, campaigns, artwork and stuff. So if you really want to go to that next level, then jump in and get their ad kit as well. But I think it's going to be a huge help for churches who want to get started, who maybe have been a little bit overwhelmed in the past, and you can take the 530 challenge. So check it out, and we'll see you in the next tip.